What happens if you stop sleeping? Entirely? No naps. No rest. Just total wakefulness. Within 24 hours, your brain struggles to store memories. You feel foggy, like you're drunk, without alcohol. Concentration drops. Mood swings begin. By day 3, hallucinations start. Your brain begins to misfire, confusing reality with dreams. Emotional control? Gone. Now your immune system crashes. Your body can't fight off even simple infections. Reaction time slows to dangerous levels. Cognitive breakdown deepens. Speech slurs. Decision-making vanishes. Your body enters survival mode, but it won't last. The longest anyone's ever gone without sleep? 11 days. Beyond that, the brain begins to shut down essential systems. Sleep isn't a luxury, it's a biological reset. Your brain, your body, your life depends on it. Subscribe to Explainaverse, where science meets curiosity.